But he's...
the governor, I mean the congressman asked what is the famous product being imported from the Philippines. And according to Mr. Kim, it is, there's a lot. One is the Dato Puti vinegar.
Filipino mentality, they want a branding, that's soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Silver Swan. Like the, what do you call, vinegar, they want Dato Puti.
Dato Puti.
Yeah. The other brand, it doesn't work. That's why in my business, 95% I always selling the manufacturer brand. I don't create my own brand.
So meaning that there is a favored brand,
that's easy to say.
according to his experience.
Yes, and moving very fast.
So how can we enter your company, by way of supply?
Here is the question: how can we?
In the beginning, you give me a product.
There you go.
Packaging, we will tell you what.
There you go.
But on this title list, it's easy.
There you go.
There's no requirement. Only one thing, make sure that when the packaging,
only the packaging, and then the quality control.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean.
How do you want it? Will we supply you the leaves, you do the packaging, or?
No, you have to come up already packaging.
It's already packaged.
Okay, packaging. Because I don't have a facility.
Meaning, on our first meeting, Mr. Kim told us to visit his place in Manila, so we could learn what are the requirements by the FDA represented over there in Manila, and then we can have a training from there. And then,
we have samples actually.
The details.
In Manila already.
So somebody in Manila will have to sit down with us.
Yes. Yes.
What other products? How about this malunggay? You know the malunggay, the small leaves, very popular in the Philippines.
Horseradish.
Horseradish, yeah, we do have it. Well, frozen, yes, horseradish. I also import the frozen vegetable from Philippines.
Yeah, frozen.
All frozen,
fresh vegetables.
Even the kangkong.
Yes.
Even the kangkong.
Kangkong, what's the cabbage?
Yes.
Like the taro leaves, I come in on the frozen container.
One of the what you call the lemongrass is one.
Pandan.
Pandan, yeah. Pandan, we also import the pandan leaves.
Narinig ka ninyo, mga wasnan. Especially to Mayor Greg. Ay paradwa-dwa pamanikan to kayo. Paradwa-dwa kanikan suporta mo sa Oas Microfinance. I wish makita mo ganing videotape agad. And from there, hingkain po man nakaulang tabi. Merak manika sa mga wasnan na nag-cheers. And basically this is all what is it for. We are trying to answer unanswered prayers. Prayers, how can you answer it? This is what we are working hard. Angko Inc. is the soul behind on all of this.
Anyway, Greg, Mr. Conde is leaving for Manila. Then I can perhaps get in touch with your company. That's right, yes.
Yeah. Now I am being ordered by the congressman, based from his foreign affairs constituent. I will be getting into Mr. Kim company under his name. Wow, Oasnon. What do you think about it? Is this a blessing? Salamat, Oasnon. Maybe your prayers will be answered.
So I will tell my president that you're helping our economy.
Now we're talking about the president is being shared with our congressman, Albichara.
I used to, one time or a long time ago, I met the, IFM. IFM, the, what do you call, consumption. He used to be the, what do you call, I think, agriculture, agriculture.
IFM.
Yeah. Yes.
The old conception.
Also, the son is the one who run it. Joey, Joey, yes.
Joey, yeah.
I met, very big in the beginnings, I met his, the father.
You have also conception product here?
Yes.
Conception product is also part of his company here in America.
Well, anyhow, if there are some new products in our place,
sure.
Perhaps we can send you a sample.
Yes, you send the sample to my office in Manila. Then they will put in the container and come here, and then I will give it to my, salesman, and then they will go out take it up. And every day I'm looking for the, new part.
Good.
everything, you know, so people they come in, you know, send me the sample or
So if you see some concerns, I mean, if you don't like the packaging, you tell us.
Yes, sure. It's not because I was just, you know, so telling that because it's actually, I think we all know what you. It's very difficult for a manufacturer to change the whole package. I hardly, you know, change the packaging because, you know, when you make it change the packaging,